friends, I had someone ask me what is the best way to end a meditation, and this is such a brilliant question because we often think of like how to start the meditation, that we're really relaxing our body and we're bringing all that energy back in, but how we finish the meditation is just as important. Even if you feel like you haven't had a really deep connection, on some level there is always some deep work happening and connection that you might not even be aware of. And so it's not a good idea just to, like, if your meditation timer goes off and you're like open your eyes and just jump up and start doing things, because it's really, really jarring. And often when people do that, they find that none of the goodness from the meditation really flows into their day. That it's like, you know, you do the meditation and you're all zen and spiritual, and then you like quickly get up and get in your car, and then like 2 minutes later you're having road rage at this guy, and you know, it's just all going to pieces. So it's really good just to, at the end, once your timer or bell or whatever you're using goes off, that you sit and you really be with yourself and you allow the energy of the meditation to integrate into your body. So after the meditation, really become aware of your body, really sit with yourself for a few moments. And often that's when a lot of goodness comes in as well, because you're aware on a different level. You're aware you've just done the meditation, you're feeling your body, and you're allowing all that beautiful meditation to move and integrate in your body. After I've sat with myself for a minute or two, I then do like to do some grounding exercises. It may be like tapping on my arms just to feel like really in my body, and also kind of keeping all that meditation energy inside. So make sure you just have at least a minute or two at the end of your meditation so that you're really integrating and making the most of all that beautiful energy that you're connecting with.